welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. I have a Sephora haul, and this is a haul I did with a gift card that I got for my birthday. So this will not count towards my palette challenge. If you guys are familiar with that, it's the palette challenge that I do every month with Beth and Nat here on YouTube, where we have to be on a low buy or no buy. Every time we make a purchase, we lose a point, but because this was a birthday gift, I don't have to count this one in, which is awesome. And I went back and forth on what I wanted to get. I initially wanted the new Natasha Denona palette, which was the Zendio, I believe, but then I also wanted the Love one, so I couldn't decide. And then when I got to thinking about it, I'm like, it's pretty pricey. Even though I got a gift card, I'm like, it's pretty pricey for what all I have, so I decided to pass on that. And end up getting this, and then even when I got it, I was like, oh, I don't know if that's what I really wanted. But anyways, to make a long story short, I'm going to show you what I got. And then I also did do an Ulta haul of some newer products I wanted to try. That will count against me with my palette challenge, unfortunately. But let's go ahead and just get into this one. So, the first thing that I got was the Tarte Unleashed eyeshadow palette. It looks like that. This has been out for quite some time, and I believe the only place you can get it is Tarte.com and Sephora at this time. Ulta no longer carries it. It did come with a travel size of the Big Eagle mascara. I do enjoy this. This will be great for travel right there. That is what it looks like. I believe this retails for about $12 if you buy it. So I did get that free. And then this is the palette. It's such a beautiful palette, and it's really, really nice. Like I said, I kept going back and forth. It does kind of remind me of the Natasha Denona, but just less price. This was $39 with the mascara. This is what the shades look like. Looking at it like now, I would say it resembles and reminds me of that Zendio palette. Maybe not all the shades, but I do see a couple similar shades to that palette. This smells amazing, but I just wanted to get this because I thought, you know what, I've wanted this for so long, and so might as well just go ahead and get it. And I couldn't decide on the other ones, so I just ended up getting this, but I love it. I have not used it as of yet. I will be using it soon. And I did, like I said, get that little mascara. So I got that, and that was $39 for the two items, which I thought was a great buy, in my opinion. So that is the first thing I got. And then I saw this brand, and I was very intrigued by these, and I wanted to give them a try. This is the LYS Beauty Matte Bronzer and the LYS Satin Matte Cream Blush here. I got those two. So here's the bronzer and then the blush on this side. They are 0.23 fluid ounces. I got the bronzer in Motivate Light. Cute packaging. And this is like a mirrored packaging. Very pretty. I really like it. Very nice size bronzer. I did swatch it, and that is what it looks like. It's very nice. Has a little bit of red undertone, but not too bad. I think it will be fine for my skin tone. It's really pretty. It does have a little mirror, but I like that, and I just thought to give this a try. I wanted to get the foundation, but I have so many foundations in my collection right now, so I thought, you know what, let me hold off on that. Actually, I have too much of everything in my collection, but I thought, you know, let me give this a try and see how it is. So there's that. And then I got the cream blush in South Love. I thought it was a beautiful, beautiful shade, and I thought it would look great. This one's not as reflective as the last one. This has more of like a sheen packaging. And then here is the blush right there. Super beautiful. You could see where I already swatched it. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Just one little swipe. There's the blush, and then there's the bronzer. I think they're gorgeous. I'm excited to give these a try. I think these will be some of my favorite products. And again, I should have just saved my gift card when I think about it, because nothing was really catching my eyes. I just wanted to pick up some things. So yeah, I got those all. That's what I got with my gift card. And then I got these two free. This was a 100 product. This is the Tarte Glow Lotion Skin Perfector. It is a very, very tiny one. I'm trying to see, 0.16 fluid ounces. I probably should have used this in my video today. This would have been really nice on my skin, but that's okay. I'm excited to have that. I have seen that being used, and it does make the skin very glowy, very beautiful. This is going to definitely get a lot of use for summertime, because during this time of the year, I like to be super bronzed, super glowy, and all of that. So that's going to be used for sure. I'm sure I'm going to want a full size. And then I got this as a free gift. This is the Hydroflex Serum Foundation. This is in Fair Light Neutral 14 in. And it's that new foundation that they've been advertising on Instagram. Looks really, really good. I think I'm going to love this as well. There's probably a few uses, so I'll definitely be trying this out here in the next few days. I think I'm going to really enjoy that one as well. So another reason I went ahead and placed the order was because if I placed the order within a certain time frame, I would get 500 bonus points, which would give me $10 off of another purchase. So I thought that was actually a great deal, and that is another reason why I kind of found a few things that I could have. So I had gone back and forth. I wanted some Rare Beauty products, and then I thought, that's kind of, you know, I'm past that already, which I still want to try a couple of her things. But I saw that these were some of the newer hot items, and I wanted to give them a try. Like I said, I wanted to try the foundation. There's not a lot of products. They have the bronzers, blushes, a foundation, a gloss, and then a powder, which I do want to try. Heard it was really, really good. So yeah, that is that. This was an Ulta haul I did. I saw that Jaclyn Hill had some new products, and I saw a lot of people raving about them. And so I thought, you know what? Let me go ahead and get it to try it, because like myself, she is a dry girl. That is what I remember her back in the day, why I found her channel, because she was dry, and she always gave the awesomest tips for dry skin girls, how to make your skin look great. So I thought, why not give her stuff a try? The first thing that I picked up was a bronzer and blush duo. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Brightening and Setting Palette right there. That is what it looks like. Her packaging is very sleek, very nice. I'm sorry, that's not it. It's this one. My bad. Grabbed the wrong one. Very sleek, very nice. I got this in the shade. So it's Lilac Love is the blush and top tan. It's the lightest one in the collection. Obviously, because I have very light skin. Packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. Very beautiful. And it does have a mirror. And there is the blush and bronzer. Now looking at it, I feel like this might be too light for my skin. I probably should have went the one up more. I could make it work, I think, though. But if it doesn't, I can always take it back to Ulta and go one shade up. I kept saying to myself I should go one shade up. In my stores, they don't carry this yet. And I kept telling myself, there it is there, the two right here on the bottom. So it may be a little light. Maybe with the blush, maybe with a brush, it will go on better, and it won't be as light as what it is. But it's really, really beautiful. Really nice packaging. Very heavy and sturdy. So I really like that. Next item that I got, and it's in the shade Extra. She had used this on one of her videos, and man, it was beautiful. And she even said, a little bit is all you need. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see through that packaging, but beautiful, beautiful. I know I'm going to love using this on the inner corners of my eyes and all of that. I'm not going to open it because I do have fake nails, and it's hard to open packaging, unfortunately, but that is that one. Okay, next item I got is the Accent Light highlighter in the mini highlighter. This is the pressed highlighter in Iced. Super cute packaging, and definitely didn't need a big one of these. Everything is that really reflective packaging, so very classy, very pretty. And then look how tiny that is, which I'm absolutely fine with because I definitely don't need it in a full size. I'll probably never go through it quickly. Look at how beautiful that is. Can you see that right there? Look, that's just one little swatch. Absolutely gorgeous. I had to have it. I didn't have any of her other makeup from before. And she did just recently come out with some blushes, like a blush palette, some loose blushes, and some cream blush sticks. And I really wanted to try them, but I'm holding off for now because I already have this. And so, yeah, I'm trying to not purchase it for a while anymore. And I did get this here, the Jaclyn Cosmetics Translucent Setting Powder. I saw her use this on her channel as well. It just made the face look so beautiful, so finish. And she said it's great to put over another powder, like a finishing. It is white, super beautiful packaging. They only have this in a full size, or I would have gotten a smaller one. It is a white powder, but she said it doesn't come off white, and I saw her use it. It did not look like it did. Let's just go over our face a little bit with some of this and just see how it does over this bronzy makeup that I did. So I'm just going to tap, tap, tap. It is so finely milled, like I could see it on my skin. It just went over it. It doesn't change the look that you have going on your face, so it's not one of those powders that's going to fix a mistake. It just sets on top and just gives this beautiful look. Absolutely gorgeous. It didn't change anything on my face. I'm so excited to have this. I cannot wait to use this. Hopefully I can use this in a upcoming video, all of these products with maybe one of her older eyeshadow palettes. I have one of her newer ones, the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill #2. Beth, my friend Beth got me that, and it's a beautiful, fun palette. But maybe I'll pull one of her older palettes, the Morphe palettes, individual palettes, since I haven't played in those in quite some time, and that would be a really nice treat with this. The last thing that I got was the Jaclyn Hill Brightening Setting palette that's Fair to Light. It looks like that, and it has 4 shades in here, and it's for setting the face, the under eyes, all of that. And this is the lightest one that I got. This is the lightest one that they got. So I'm super excited. I saw her use this as well. It just looked absolutely beautiful. So I'm definitely excited to have it. And hopefully it works well for my face. So that's everything that I got from Jaclyn Hill. And then they did send me a free little goodie bag. They said they're having like this awesome goodie bag. It's okay. I thought it would be other things, but it's not. They sent me a La Vie Estebelle perfume right there. I think I still have one of those in my collection, so I maybe save that for a giveaway. They sent the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I think that is a nice perfume as well. I do like both of these. They also sent a La Roche-Posay sunscreen, 60 SPF there, which I will definitely use. I do like to use sunscreen, and I have tried that. And then this is a Clarins Bright Plus Serum, Advanced Brightening Dark Targeting Serum, excuse me. So there's that. I definitely am excited to have that as well. So I thought they were going to send some better stuff than that, but that's okay. But that's everything that I got from my Ulta and Sephora haul. Again, the Sephora was with a gift card I got for my birthday, and then the Ulta was a purchase I did myself. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you've tried any of these products, these new Jaclyn Hill products. Let me know that down below and let me know what you think of them. I'm super excited to try them, and hopefully I can do a video for you guys here soon using and testing all of these products out on camera. So if you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button and those bell notifications before you head out. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.